Hi, you know the world of software subscriptions can feel like a labyrinth. You have so many options that it makes it hard to discern what truly holds value. This service has fundamentally transformed how I interact with my iOS devices, and I want to share why it's been such a profound change for me. I'll admit, when I first heard about Setapp, described as the Netflix of apps, I was a bit skeptical. But after introducing it to my workflow, I became a devoted advocate. This service has fundamentally transformed how I interact with my iOS devices, and I want to share why it's been such a profound change for me. What is Setapp? At its core, Setapp is an all-you-can-eat buffet of Mac and iOS applications, all under one flat monthly fee. Imagine an app store where everything is already paid for. You get instant access to over 240 apps, spanning everything from boosting your productivity and unleashing your creativity to streamlining system utilities. Just download what you need and you're good to go. Who is Setapp for? Setapp is ideal for individuals like me who heavily rely on their iOS devices for both work and personal endeavors. If you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or simply someone who appreciates robust productivity tools, Setapp will be a lifesaver. However, it's not for everyone. If you're someone who only uses a handful of basic applications, or you prefer to purchase software licenses outright, a subscription model might not feel cost-effective. But for those who desire a vast array of high-quality applications without the hassle of individual purchases and licensing, Setapp truly is a dream come true. How Setapp works. Using Setapp is remarkably straightforward. Once you subscribe, you download the Setapp application to your iOS device, which then serves as a central hub for all the included software. The interface is clean and intuitive, with categories and collections to help you discover what you need. You can also search for specific tools or browse by features, which is how I uncovered some of my absolute favorite apps. One of the features I appreciate the most is the seamless installation and uninstallation process. There is no need to worry about lingering files cluttering your system. If you try an app and it doesn't fit your workflow, you can remove it with just a few clicks. The apps that make Setapp worth it. Let me highlight some of the applications that have made Setapp utterly indispensable for me. Let's start with MindNode. As a visual thinker, MindNode has been a game changer for brainstorming and project planning. It's a powerful yet intuitive mind mapping tool that helps me outline new projects or organize ideas with ease. There's Ulysses. This app was the app that initially drew me to Setapp, and it remains a favorite. It's a distraction-free writing tool, perfect for anything from blog posts to long-form projects. Its sleek interface supports Markdown, and you can even publish directly to WordPress or Medium. Without Setapp, Ulysses alone would cost me $40 a year. Clean My Mac. My go-to for maintaining my Mac's performance. It clears unnecessary files, manages large folders, and monitors system's health. It's like having a dedicated assistant for your computer, and it typically costs $39.95 per year on its own. We got Paste. This clipboard manager has revolutionized my workflow. It saves everything I copy, allowing me to quickly find and reuse text, images, or anything else without constant switching between applications. On its own, Paste costs $30 a year. There's Text Sniper, a hidden gem. This app lets you extract text from images, screenshots, and even videos. It's incredibly useful for grabbing quotes, pulling text from PDFs, or digitizing handwritten notes. Simple, fast, and a time saver. Canary Mail. I do not know how to pronounce canary, so sorry. If your inbox feels overwhelming, Canary Mail offers a refreshing alternative. It's a privacy-focused email client with features like end-to-end encryption, read receipts, and a minimalist design that helps me stay on top of my emails without feeling bogged down. Let's talk about pricing. The cost of Setapp. The basic plan for Mac apps only, it's $9.99 per month at the time I made this video. Also, by the time I made this video, if you want access to iOS apps as well, it's going to be $12.49 per month. There is also a family plan for $19.99 per month, allowing up to 4 people to share the subscription, and team plans for businesses. There is also a family plan for $19.99 per month, allowing up to 4 people to share the subscription, and team plans for businesses. You can also save 10% by paying the annually subscription. While the monthly fee might seem like a lot at first glance, when you consider the value of the included apps, it's actually an exceptional deal. I can guarantee you I will keep using Setapp ultimately. What makes Setapp so invaluable to me is how much it simplifies my life. Instead of dedicating hours to researching apps, comparing prices, and managing individual licenses, I can just open Setapp and find what I need. In conclusion, Setapp has completely shifted my perspective on iOS applications. It's safe to say that it's more than just a subscription. It's an expanding toolbox that continually adapts to my needs. If you have been on the fence with this, I strongly recommend giving it a try. Who knows, it might just surprise you. You can get started with a 7-day free trial through the link in the description below. Now I'm going to be real with you. Full disclosure. That is an affiliate link, meaning I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support this channel and allows me to continue creating free content. I truly appreciate your support if you choose to use them. If this has been helpful, remember to like, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss our deep dives into software reviews and comparisons designed to boost your productivity and simplify your life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.